If you've been on the fence on picking up prescription lenses for your Ray-Ban or Oakley Metas, well, now's a great time to buy, because from now until December 5th, VR Rock is having a Black Friday sale. So VR Rock sells prescription lenses for the Meta Quest, Apple Vision Pro, Roku Max, and a bunch of other VR and AR headsets. Again, more importantly, at least for the sake of why you clicked on this video, they sell prescription lenses for the Ray-Ban Meta glasses. They fit both Gen 1 and Gen 2. And they also sell lenses for the Oakley Meta HSTNs. I actually made a video showing how to swap out the lenses to the Ray-Ban Metas, but to show you how easy it is, I'm gonna do it again right now. Alright, let's go ahead and move these to the side and take these off. These are the Gen 2 headliners. These are the low bridge versions, but it doesn't really matter though. So to take these lenses out, these are already my prescription lenses, but to take them out, you're gonna wanna push from the inside of the frame out with like rolling your thumb into the lens. So let me get up to do this. And they just pop right out. A little bit of force in there, but it's quite easy to do. And there you go, now I can't see again. These lenses are my prescription lenses. These are actually from VR Rock. So let's go ahead and put these back in. And to put them in, you're gonna do the reverse. You're gonna do it from the outside in. So let's go ahead and take these off again. And all right, so let's get these back in. I'm gonna start from the outside corner. I'm gonna put this in first, line this up. And then just go around and get it in. And then, once that clicks in, it's so great, man. That's the best sound ever. All right, let's get the other lens in. All right, now the other side, I'm gonna start again from the corner. Line that up first. And then push the rest of it in and start work my way around. Oh God, that's lovely sound, love it. And look, now I can see it again. Well, not really, because these got my fingerprints all over them. Let's clean these off real quick. I like to use this cleaner. This is from Whoosh. This is alcohol and ammonia free. It's like perfectly safe for your Meta glasses and your lenses. Cloth here, and then let's wipe these down so I can see again. That's good enough for now. And we're good to go. I told you it was really easy to do. Now, from what I've heard, they're just as easy to swap on the Oakley Meta HSTNs. I literally ordered a pair yesterday and they're supposed to arrive today. Oh, it's already here. All right, let's go pick those up real quick. Thank you. See you later. All right, so the package is here, and just in case you don't believe me, it's literally the same day that I'm making this video. So let's go ahead and open this up real quick and then head back. And here they are, the Oakley HSTNs. So let's go ahead and head back to the studio so we can unbox these and see if we can swap out their lenses just as easy. All right, and here we are, the Oakley Meta HSTNs. Just got them in, and just so you believe me, it is literally the same day that I'm making this video. So let's go ahead and take the lenses out of these. Here's a close-up of the HSTNs. So to take the lenses out of these is just like how we did it on the Ray-Bans. We're gonna push them out from the inside out. You'll want to push towards the bottom of the lens while bracing the frame with the rest of your hand. Just a little bit of force and they pop right out. And now the other side. They're really easy to take out. Here's the lenses, so let's actually put them back in. Again, you're gonna do the exact opposite and put them in from the outside in. Gonna line up the corner first here near the temple, and just work my way around until it clicks into place. Same for the other side. Start off in the corner again and push around until it clicks. And done. Alright, so that was super easy to do. So let's actually order some lenses for them right now. Back to the site. So the lenses start off at $20. This is for both the Oakley HSTNs and the Ray-Ban Metas. You can choose prescription or non-prescription lenses. They do single vision as well as progressive. I just need the single. And then you can choose the transition color. There's gray, brown, amber, blue, pink, green, and purple. If you just want the clear transparent lenses, there's no fee. But if you want any colors, there'll be an additional $25. You can also get tinted lenses too. There's brown, black, and dark green. Then enter your prescription info here. If you have astigmatism like I do, you'll put your cylinder and axis volumes in here too. Next is the pupillary distance. This is basically the distance between the center of your pupils. It's going to be measured in millimeters. Insert that distance here, or if you have two PD values, you can input both of those. Now for the lens upgrades. A lot of these are free, but let's go over the options real quick. Anti-fog is already selected. Then you have oil resistant, scratch resistant, easy to clean, and radiation resistant. The two upgrades that aren't free are anti-blue light and anti-glare. These add-ons are only $5 each. So with my options of the color transitions, prescription lenses with astigmatism correction, and all of the upgrades, my total is only $95 before any discounts. Don't worry, I got you. Now with my discount code, I got it down to $80.75. And that price includes free worldwide shipping with no additional tariffs, taxes, or duties. Alright, so when I ordered the lenses for my headliners, it took about 11 days to come in, so I'm assuming I should get these in around 2 weeks, and I'll obviously be making another video when it arrives. Oh, to take advantage of VRROC's Black Friday sale, make sure to use my code ROAMBF15 to save 15% off anything in their store. Again, this code is good until December 5th. If you happen to be watching this video after their Black Friday sale, you can still use my code ROAM to save 10% off their site. But yeah, if you've been waiting for a good deal to add prescription lenses to your Metas, now's the time. Now if I could just find a way to add prescription lenses to my Vanguards. Oh, I can't see. See ya. Okay, I was not ready for this actually. Alright, so, oh man. But to show you how easy it is, I'll do it again right now to show you how easy it is. Why is my script like that? Why did I write that? And let's go ahead and put them back in actually. What am I doing? Alright, so I have no script anymore. I am in trouble. Alright, and here they are, the Oakley Meta Houstons. Fresh out the packaging. No, it's not. And I can see it again. I can see on my teleprompter. Alright, let's get these back in there. Alright, where are we at?